And we are taking a live look outside. It's gorgeous to start the first week, the Back to Reality week, as we get into 2021. And we'll see that sunshine reflecting on the lake there in Lake Hartwell, and hardly any wind. I mean, just gorgeous, completely flat on the lake this afternoon. Temperatures in the 50s. It's comfortable outside. And we are watching some clouds that will be rolling our direction, and perhaps even some snow and rain up in western North Carolina. It'll be fairly spotty going into tomorrow. It's from that system dipping down from the north and west. But upstate should stay dry through the day tomorrow for the most part. Maybe a sprinkle. That would be about it. 55 in Greenville, 52 in Gaffney. We're sitting at 50 in Asheville and 59 in Toccoa, feeling nice there at nearly 60 degrees. Now tonight we're going to cool down into the mid 30s, but notice the cloud cover. It's going to be a little more extensive through the day tomorrow. Mix of clouds and sun, especially toward midday into the afternoon. Highs still get into the 50s. In the mountains, we'll have that chance for some snow and rain showers, mainly up near the Tennessee line, and highs will only get into the mid 40s. So a good bit cooler up in western North Carolina. And there's that activity I was talking about. Some of it could creep into the upstate toward mid-morning, be very, very light and just be kind of a sprinkle variety. And cloud cover certainly will be part of our picture as well. Some light snow up near the Tennessee line for a Tuesday night, and then it settles down for Wednesday ahead of a bigger system that we'll be tracking as we get into the day on Thursday. So here's how it goes. This is a real borderline event right now as it looks for the upstate. Rain will be to our west as of Thursday morning, but we'll notice the clouds moving in. And then here we go into Thursday night, Friday morning. Starts as rain in the upstate, but the cooler air is really going to begin to take over and expand this wintry weather even down into the 85 corridor. Potentially we could see a quick burst of snow, some rain snow mix. Now temperatures at the surface should remain above freezing, keeping us from having any issues on the roads. Notice what happens as we go through the day. It turns back to rain. The snow kind of shrivels up toward the mountains as we warm up a bit, and then all of that moves out. So that's system number one. We've got another one that will come into Monday, and it's another very borderline one where most of the snow will be in the mountains, but we'll have a cutoff right along the North-South Carolina border. Could get at least some brief snow in the northern upstate, but neither of these systems looks like a big snowstorm for the upstate at this point. But something to watch, because all that needs to happen is for the low to track a little bit farther south, more cold air to get involved, and then potentially we could be looking at an accumulating snow event for upstate areas. But right now I'm just not overly excited about it. For those snow lovers out there, I wouldn't get your hopes up, but certainly Friday and Monday will both bring the potential for wintry weather around here. The good news is, though, I'm not seeing any big issues on the roads as temperatures remain above freezing across the upstate. Of course, you can download the Fox Carolina app. It's such a great way to keep up with all these changes. We'll send you forecast updates, watches, and warnings as well.